बुधवारा सावन शियाळ्या 4 दिसांच्या अधिवेशनाक सुरवात जाली. खारीवाडा जेटी विशयाचेर चर्चा करपाक वास्कोंत 20 डिसेंबराक बसका जातली. MPT अधिकारी, आमदार, मुखेलमंत्री, बोट धनी ह्या बसकेक हजर आसतले. विधानसभेत आमदार आल्मेदान जेटीच्या कन्स्ट्रक्शना वयल्यान प्रश्न केल्लो. MPT ही जेटी बांदून पुराय करतली म्हण उतर मुखेलमंत्र्यान दिला. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
As per this question, I've got lots of answers, Speaker sir. I just want to ask the Minister, Speaker sir, this आमच्या ती jetty बांधली, Speaker sir. This jetty, on the jetty, how many agents will be there, fish agents? How many vessels will be there? And what facilities will be there?
हांवें सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटाक हांगा चड कन्सर्न येयल्लो ना. हांगासर फक्त जाला ते आमचो रोल सीमित असल्या कारणान आमी फक्त पयशे दिता 26 कोटी इतकोच आमचो रोल आसा. बाकीचे सगळे MPT पळयता.
Speaker sir, I disagree with the minister's reply, Speaker sir. The jetty is for the people of Goa, Speaker sir. And the jetty is going to be built by MPT, Speaker sir, for the government of Goa. I am asking the minister, Speaker, Anek Pati, how many trawlers will be there? What are the facilities proposed there, Speaker sir? And see how many fish agents will be there. I want to know what will be there, Speaker sir. Answer the Speaker sir, Maka. That coastal engineering and fisheries, they have altered the layout of the fishing jetty, Speaker sir. I want to know, Speaker sir, alteration kide ha? Alteration kala, Speaker sir, tani. And the cost of the alteration, Speaker sir.
बांदप कितें तें आमी फक्त पयशे कितके ते तेजे प्रावधान केल्ले आसा. आमी 26 कोटीचो प्रोसेस केल्लो आसा.
Alex,
Wait, no, Speaker sir, I have not got my answer, Speaker sir. Kite, Speaker sir, it's all vague answer, Speaker sir.
Minister gave a very clear answer that in the first week of January, he will call a joint meeting with MPT and the MLA so that whatever MLA wants to raise can be satisfied at the same time. You cannot expect minister to have all details of the technical aspect of it, particularly when the project is actually being executed by MPT, though it is for the benefit of the state. He has already given the assurance that he is calling a meeting, joint meeting, so that whatever questions Honorable MLA have can be answered in that joint meeting.
Speaker.